How to change the Buy It Now button text in Shopify. Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to change the Buy It Now button text in Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand side, click Online Store, then click Themes. Click the three dots beside the Customize button, then click Edit Code. In the left sidebar, you will see the Sections folder. Open the file named theme.liquid. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the file. After that, make a space just before the closing style tag. And then paste the code you'll find in the description box below. Look for the line with the button text. And this is where you can change Buy It Now. So I will change it to Get It Now. Or you can change it whatever you want your button to say. Click Save. Then exit the code editor. Now, go to your online store and click View. You can open any product to check the button text. And that's it. The button text has been successfully changed to Get It Now. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.